So we start off today's video with this hair transformation. Now her hair looks like it comes to around the shoulder length, maybe just past her shoulders. Ooh, she's getting a pixie, some color. There is the before. Oh, wow. Beautiful copper colored pixie style. She looks absolutely amazing. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be checking out some more hair transformation. So here we have someone else going from long to short hair. Looks like she's going to be getting a bob for this one. Oh, he's taking it even shorter. It does still look like she is getting a bob though. Yes, more of like that mini bob style. This is beautiful. It has a nice wispy texture to it. More of that like tousled look. She looks amazing. Very nicely done. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles spotted within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll of course stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have someone, it looks like her hair is also just past her shoulders. She has a gorgeous copper color shade to her hair as well. And the stylist does another beautiful bob here. Very nice. I really love her hair color. It's so pretty. Next up, we have another long to short transformation. Whoa! Wow! Beautiful red bob makeover. This is absolutely gorgeous. And then we do see another bob. She does have some chunky highlights here. Nice bangs going in the front, and then we have an angled bob with the ginger color. Very dramatic long angle for this bob. And here we have someone with very long hair. I'd say about mid-back length or so. she is with some of her longer styles. And bam, she cut the hair into a chic. Oh, wow. She went with a buzz cut and went blonde. I love it. Wow, very unexpected. I thought for sure she was going with the blonde bob, but I love this hair change. She looks gorgeous. So here we have someone with blonde shoulder length hair. Looks like she's getting some color done and going a little bit shorter with more of a classic bob. She has a nice volumized bob for this look. Middle part down the center. Gorgeous, nice, classic, simple style. Now I really like her hair color as well. She's more of like the orange copper tone. It looks like he's giving her like a Shaggy pixie style. Oh man, I wish she would have kept that orange copper color. I mean, the brown is nice, but I loved her hair shade before. But I think the cut is just so cute. And once again, she is rocking like that Shaggy pixie cut. Very cute. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out these hairstyles with me. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.